My brother, Abado Telaka, Walundio Dinsa, Abado Dipasa, Walundio Telaka. One them, you get money, you could do it. You put a weaker, if I knew Abado Namba got the way, you could do it. Abado Namba Gidike, you could do it. Mananya Gachi Makeko Mebepua. Achuchuchula bodo bonye gasamia. Achuchuchula galanya gasamia. Oh, I never take money is up to man. Oh, I never. Abuni were gonna wanito.
Ruben.
Oh?
Good afternoon.
Okay. This one, your tray is still full. Actually, you're not telling me you go market now.
No, this is the second time. I finished selling the first one I took to the market, so it was very good. I said, let me go back and bring some other things to sell.
That is very good. Very, very good. Because I thought if it's the market you're going to, the market, Micheal.
No. No.
Closed.
Hey, you have finished selling all your fish.
Even from A to Z sold. No? And thank Ulisa has been always been very, very thankful to me.
Okay.
But on your back, that's in another.
Okay.
You come and see me there.
No problem. Oh, bye bye.
Why is the whole compound unkept? Huh? Does it mean that these children did not sweep this compound today, Kogini? No. Where is Faith? Has she gone to her shop? Faith! Faith! Has she gone to her shop? Oh, you are still at home?
No, I came here to pick something.
Faith, come here. You left for your shop this morning. Why did you sweep this compound? You saw this compound as dirty as it is, and then you left.
Mama, it's not my turn to sweep the compound, but it's Tochi's.
Tochi! So, when did sweeping of our compound take turn? Okay, if I may ask you, Madam Faith, whose turn is it to sweep our compound?
Tochi!
Tochi I saw. Tochi Mabuli. Tochi Onyala. Eh? You know, it's somebody in your shop. You as if your sister did not sweep the compound. You as the elder one, wouldn't you have just swept it and make everywhere clean before you leave for your shop? Eh? See, let me tell you. Before I close my eyes and open it, just go inside the house, take a broom and come outside and sweep this compound before I deal with you.
I don't like what you're doing. I feel like I keep sweeping the compound. This is Tochi's turn to sweep the compound. I'm already late for my shop.
Faith, go and get broom and sweep this compound.
Mama, I don't like this thing.
Come back here. Where is you? Come here, come on. I'm a farmer.
Where is that Tochi?
Can you imagine? Okay, can you imagine? Eh? If your younger one did not sweep the compound, won't you just sweep it? Man, they bleed at it. In a beer parlor, because don't let them give me. Faith! Faith!
Brother, hold on. Mama.
Brother Tony, Mom, he wants to talk to you on phone.
Yeah. Hello? Tony, my son. How are you? We are fine. I thank God, we are just doing fine. And how is Enugu? Well, thank God. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling one. My God will keep protecting you and guiding you in everything you do. Ona shall be well with you. Oh? Okay. So what rest? Thank you. Tony said he paid some money to your account.
Yes, Mama, he did.
But one please go and withdraw the money. You know I have to pay Mama Toby back her money for the things I collected from her shop.
Okay, Mama, I will. Let me go and change.
Your clothes is good.
No, Mama, let me change for something else.
Please do fast, yeah?
I will.
Oh, bless my son. Tochi!
Mama!
Hey, what is keeping you? Why would you go to the bank to get the money my son paid into your account? Before the bank closes, go to the bank now.
Mama, I'm using ATM. I'm not going inside the bank. Besides, no time is late with ATM.
Please, just go and get my money. Before that money enters voicemail, go and bring it. What I may go. Some no use ATM.
You
ATM bank,
money.
The same thing.
You had money. You like money.
You don't. If I give you, you won't take.
Don't worry, I'm on my way. Okay. See you later.
I've seen you. Also, pick up and get.
Can't you see finish it? Lick the blade. Once you see it, I must lick it. Oh, I'm not. What? I want to go and follow Lizzy and black price. I want to go and see. I don't want to waste time. Before you know it now, all this, will not come. And if they come, they'll be looking you, seeing your fine.
Competition. And you think I'll answer them? I'm not. I'm not people that I don't know how to make care.
Some of them. They kill it. They kill people. We want to start making children. With the colors. Mama. Papa. You like it? And you only also you go like there's too much money, but maybe you see this one equals fishing. See this one equals. There's plenty money. They went to since they went to Europe. Make too much money from it. So I will take care of you and even our children. 11. The cake. every 6 months. Have one. Or another 6 months time, I give you. Put another one. Another 6 months again. You go drop. You know us by 6 months. Then, okay, 6 months. I love you, love you. Bumbo. And I go talk. I'm going. Let me go and do what I know how to do best. What? Don't do anything. Don't even sweep. I'm gonna start walking there. Just go again.
I wish you all the best. I pray that you fish more than you can imagine.
See. Thank you. Drink water. You have to be drinking cash. Water is life.
Take care.
Wonders. And kwa abu. Iba gana na kwa abu le ko pare. Le ko no pare mo da ga na kan ni. It's not easier to go here. Rich man. If you walking up go reach your price guy. Pricing my fish as if he is pricing ogri and account. Even buyer, those in the market will not price my fish like that. The way Austin price my fish. I would afford it. Up to 40. If not, Namo take my leg to be carrying fish to his house to the one deciding for him when he see me on the road and carry him like that. No, it is my fault. My fault to me. Think about it. As the baby get it toss get him in as a woman again as some kind of prize I only go agree. She baggage. Next time come. Is that not doable?
I am
Chineke Leo. Augustine. Imam Chesio. Ole kata. Oh, kata. Tell Caterpillar. It's a madam no trailer. Chineke Leo. Obiam. Poverty is very bad. Over there, every day, go motor buy a new motor every day. Augustine, you're welcome. Oh, what the mama? Why not? Why haven't you been bringing fish to my house? Augustine, you have not heard what the rain is doing. Okay. The moment it rain, fish also. Eh? Meanwhile, what about this one? Can I get this one? Eh? Or somebody paid for it? If somebody has paid for it, I'm going to pay double for it. No sale. No sale. No, because now I know where all the fishes are going to. Your wife must be enjoying so much. Oh no, some bit to her, some bit to the charities also, so that we balance. Meanwhile, please, since you said this one is for your wife, take this money. Okay, I want you to bring enough fish to my house tomorrow. I am hosting some people in my house and I want them to eat your fish. Let them get to know how good and tasty your fish is. All this Lende bugger bundle of for fish. All right, let me not wait for you. If that money is not enough, when you come, okay, I'll give you another one. Okay? Change my add mangala. I will add cut the fish. Let me not look for you. No, you will see me with the whole fish in the river. I will bring the river to you. If I don't bring the river, I will tell you shock. Like well.
I am my I am my even the Mapian of Badania, even the Japan of Badania, Goya Nemaya Jessica, if I am not lawyer Jessica, one woman, no one Nachia, and no one Nachia. Ebola Galanya, Kemo, Anya Gachi
Kemo. Hey! Omereme. Ana patron. Kwamane, kwama truck ge. Kwama. Emba kwala. Do not to do. Hele. How are you?
I'm fine. And this one you're this excited. It's not like you sold all the fish.
I did though. Eremo from A to Z. It's not like it's the first time as all my fish. No, that is making me this happy. It's not
So what is it? Tell me, what happened?
Give me wonders shall never again end. Wonders will not go. That's my customer. I used to take fish to his house and he will buy the whole fish. Austin.
Oh, okay.
It's not like he will pay big money. He will pay like every poor man in the village. Now he will buy the whole fish. I go market. My customers charge now. No house to sell to them. They get get angry and go to shop and doors to buy. The next thing I will lose all of them because of Austin. I will not sell. You know what happened? I met him again today. Just now I met him again. I told the man that I should supply him more fish again. Said he wants to buy all legacy. I tried. Look at Ego, look at the money he gave to me. He bought all the fish. You know what he told me? He now said, if the fish, the money is not enough, tomorrow when I supply the fish, I need more money.
Does he want to buy all the fish in the river? Or is he paying you 1 month's salary to fish?
Up and down, all of above. Easy, eat it to me, eat your man, eat you also. He is missing. He's been missing the whole fish for the soup that I'm giving him. It's that it costs nourishment for his body. But he said tomorrow that he's on a book. He's going to walk tomorrow in the film party. So that even if I bring the whole fish from the river, he will buy all. And he will give me plenty of ego.
Hey!
Hey! This one is especially for you. He wanted to buy us. If you like, give me Jerusalem. But I will not sell. This one is for my Obroso. Obrino. One that. You know, you can't go and call. How about that's your power?
But tell me, what did you say to him?
I said yes. I can't wait any more longer. I can't wait for a rich guy to come and marry me.
Wait. Does it mean you say yes to him?
Yes, I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting a rich man to come and marry me. Besides, look at Chisom and Baby. They are not rich, but yet they are happily married.
Ebube, you know Dubem has ambition. He's a poor man, but he's a non-fisherman. He makes money from it. But that your suitor still eats mama thinking.
Hold it there. Maybe you're not trying to insult him.
No, I'm not. Anyway, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
But I will still advise you to think about it. Please.
You know what is wrong? Well, you are jealous about me.
Me?
Yes.
Jealous of what? Nobody.
Our discussion is over.
Look at her. Hey, baby. You better think, oh. That boy is nobody. And he's nobody.
surprised to have you here today.
You shouldn't be surprised. Okay? I'm a man of the people. Anytime I am in the village, I like to feel the pulse of the people and allow the people to feel my pulse as well. Okay, that's why I am called the man of the people.
Hey, you're welcome, man of the people.
Thank you.
So, what do I offer you? Can I offer you something to drink?
No, I don't think so. Maybe water will do.
Just water?
Yeah, water.
Water. Faith! Faith! Come on, please. Please, my daughter, get a glass of water for our visitor, okay?
Good day, sir.
How are you? I actually came to see you in respect of your daughter, Tochi.
Hey, Tochi,
Yes.
I hope all is well. I hope she has not done anything wrong.
No. If actually she did anything wrong, that means she won my heart. But there's nothing wrong with winning a man's heart.
Hey! Oh, this is so good.
I like her so much and I want to marry her.
Really?
Though I have not told her yet, I have not made my intentions known to her yet. The reason I came to you first, because I know that the moment I convince you, you will do the rest of the job.
This is very good. This is very good. This is so nice. You did well. Actually, I won't say I was not expecting this. I was expecting it. It's so good. So nice.
It happened in Asama.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'm part of it now.
This is a repeat.
Same will happen in my own case. But as a matter of fact, Tochi is a very good girl.
Yeah.
And I'm very sure she will make a good wife too.
Oh.
So you don't have to worry about anything. Seeing a rich man like
I just told you no Asama. It happened in Asama. And it's happening again.
Odogu. See, I have given you a go ahead. I've just gave my word to you. Go ahead.
I have your go?
Just go ahead.
Jack! Jack!
Sir.
Go to the car and get the money.
Jesus.
Jack! Jack, come here. Come here, Jack. I have told you time and time again, do not let me call you twice. Okay? Now go. Go get me money. What? Jack! You see? Now jump up 2 times. Jump! Jump up 2 times.
Yes.
Good. Now when I say run, you run.
Exactly.
Now run.
Run. I like my in-law.
That's the way I train my boys.
I like it. My daughter will be part of this. My daughter will be part of this. Exactly.
Jack and the
Immediately.
so I know. So I have a way of doing it. I know.
To be a man, it's not easier to be a man. If I'm walking a fool, come where it you are for no as a fisherman, a bugomo to miri.
Hi, Tochi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. I'm just coming from your house where your mom told me you went to get something.
Yes. Is everything alright?
Of course everything is okay. I came to say hello. Is anything wrong with it?
No, sir.
Alright. So come on, hop in. Let me drop you off.
No, sir. Never mind. I'm almost home. Maybe next time. Thank you.
What a come on, boy. Go yan and yendi no. I must get you. I
got my one for I got my tunnel boy.
Come, baby. Hey, Tochi, mom. Hey, something happened today. Something happened. What happened?
What is it?
Omalicham, Asam Petemo, my beauty. I know what I gave back to. Beautiful girl. Oh, yeah, what?
This one you are happy.
I am very happy.
What happened? Tell me.
Hey! Joy Yebunam.
Brother, send the Igego.
The kind of money we'll be talking about is not that change your brother said.
So tell me now.
Hey! A young, rich, handsome man came looking for you today. The man is loaded. If you see him, hey! Some man. And he said he wants to marry you. He said he wants to marry you.
Mama, what did he say to you?
Can't you guess?
Guess what?
Can't you guess what I was telling him? Eh? I gave him a go ahead. I told him to come immediately. That he is the kind of man I have been waiting for to come and marry my daughter. If you see this man, if you see what he wore on his body, money was speaking. He was so loaded. Eh? Ha! I told him to come. He promised to build me a house. He said, but building a house will take too long. So he decided to buy me, in short, us, another house. A new one. He said he would change my life. Our lives. He will be pumping me money, giving me money, too much money. He even gave me some. Check at the table. If you enter inside the parlor, I kept it at the table so that you will see it. The money that passed in at my wrapper.
See, Mama, I'm not interested, please.
You see? What did you say? You are not what?
Interested.
Hey! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
Mama.
God forbid! God forbid! Tochi! Whoever that did this to my daughter, it will never be well with them. It will not be well with all of them. Any one of them that did this, that I will not eat and drink on behalf of my daughter. Hey, it will not be well. Don't you, do you know the amount of money we are talking? House, cars. Let me know here, I'm not interested in your mouth again. Because we are going to marry this young man. Whether he's old or young or whatever he is, you will marry him by force, by fire. Yes, Mama, you will.
You want to force me?
I'm forcing you already.
Into marriage?
You will marry.
Mama, no, I won't.
You will. You will marry him, don't you?
Mama, I will not marry him. You will forcing me, I will not.
Don't you will marry him? I will not. You will marry him. Who did this? Money, 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 money. Money, plenty. Don't you? You will marry him, oh! You will marry him. I know put up on moto.
Mama.
Tochi! You are eating. You are eating food. Eh?
You don't want me to eat all.
Real silly John. Shut up. Eh? You have the mouth to ask me question. Don't I want you to eat again? But Tochi,
Mama,
when are you getting married? Meaning what? What is the meaning of What do you mean? When are you getting married is my question to you.
When? But Mama, why all this question now? Eh? Please, I'm hungry.
Hungry I go wild on. If I see that spoon enter your mouth without answering my question, you trust what I can do. I asked you a simple question. Don't you know? When are you giving me grandchildren?
Mama, I still don't understand. Please.
If I stay here, I do not understand from this your stupid mouth. I will throw this rice outside. Then, you know what I will do to you. Answer my question, are you deaf? When are you getting married? Okay, since you don't understand, let me make it easy for you. When are you giving me grandchildren? Because all you do in this house is sit down and eat. Eat. Get married? No. Give me grandchildren. Mba. Send money to me like your brother does. So tell me, when are you getting married? Because you have 3 tasks to do. Yes. Number 1 is getting married. Second, giving me grandchildren. Third, giving me money. When are you accomplishing them for me?
Okay, Mama, I heard you. But please, can I eat now?
I said it. Good for nothing. I knew that your reply would be this. After all that I've said, after all the acrobatic I danced to ask you this question, all you can reply me is, when will you eat? Should I allow you to eat? Okay. Nonsense. Eat.
But Mama, it's not my fault.
Shut up and eat. Thank you.
What is this, Tochi?
Just look at me. Tell me, how is it my fault that I'm not married? Am I going to marry myself? I don't like the way Mama is treating me. I don't like it.
Is that why you're crying?
Yes.
Is that why you're
I want Mama to understand that when I see the right man, I will get married. Yes.
It's okay. It's okay, Tochi. You should know her mother by now. She's only performing her motherly duty. Okay? Overlook whatever she's saying to you.
But sister, it's unfair. It's unfair.
Stop killing yourself over this. Inungo.
Sister, please. Talk to Mama.
I will.
Talk to her. Because I'm tired. I'm tired of all this.
It's okay. I'll talk to her.
Are you sure?
I will. Oh. That was you're feeling like a kid you are. Okay. Wipe your tears. Cry, baby.
Sister, I'm hungry.
Let's go and eat now.
Tochi, sister, that guy is very handsome and he looks very rich.
What do you mean by that?
He likes you.
Likes me? How?
He likes you. I think he wants to know more about you, Tochi.
Sister, since when did you start reading minds?
Tochi, it's not about reading minds.
It's about what?
It's written all over him. It's written all over him that he likes you.
Oh, sister, please, can we go now? Let's go. Sister, please, don't tell Mama about this. Don't mention this to Mama. Please, I'm begging you.
You don't know what I can do.
Promise me. I don't know.
I won't tell her anything.
Are you sure?
I promise you.
You promise? Okay.
Thank you so much, Thank you for coming to see me and the baby. And all the beautiful things that you people brought. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'll tell my husband.
Chisom, you deserve more than this. Yes. You know, it's not every woman that goes into that level. That room. It's not every woman that enters there that comes out alive. Yes. You are right. Your baby is so cute. That's the baby.
My baby is fine, huh? You just
saw
him now.
I can't wait to get married. And my daughter will marry your son.
Hey. You that is not ready yet.
Who says that I'm not ready?
Because he wants a rich guy as a husband.
Did you tell her that? That is a lie. I only said that I need a hard-working man. Okay. Not a sit at home and eat. Mama, thank you. Tochi is right. You know, no responsible man will sit at home and wait for Mama to cook before he eats. Knowing how hard the country is,
I know you guys are jealous of me.
Why?
Because I'm getting married before you people.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, before this will become a fight. It's okay. Ebube, I can see that you have really made up your mind. I wish you the best. Good luck.
Thank you.
Chisom, I wish you the best. Chisom, I wish you good luck. You are taboo again for quick for that go get boogie.
Tochi! Nna! Tochi! Come and see. Nna! No!
Mama!
You're welcome.
Brother! Welcome.
Welcome, Mama. Mama, don't
Where's
worry.
your car?
Don't worry. Let's go inside. I will explain everything to you.
Explain. You didn't come with your car.
Mama, let's go inside.
It's okay. What?
Let's go inside. That was how I lost everything. The man framed me up. He bribed the police. He made me look like I'm into drugs. The case got to court and everything was taken from me.
You mean the man you supplied goods to refused to pay for the goods, and when you asked him for your money, he did all this to you?
Yes, Mama. As I'm talking to you now, both the houses, the cars, and everything have been taken from me. I can't even boast of anything.
Why are human beings being this wicked? So, what did they want you to do now? Hey, this country is full of evil.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay, Mom. I know that God of heaven and earth watches over us.
Yes.
God, what is happening to my son? Or even to us? What is going on? I still trust you. You will not allow your children to suffer. Yes? My son is okay. Yeah? God will take care of everything.
I believe God.
I am only grateful that you did not lose your life in the process of all this trouble. Thank God for that one. It's okay. It's okay. Touch your food.
Mama.
Okay, Lizzy. Since I served you your food, you've not touched it.
Thank you, Mama. But I'm not hungry.
Thank you for what? For not eating my food. How can you tell me you are not hungry? You've not eaten since last night. You've not tasted anything in my house. Okay,
Mama, for how long will this continue? For how long will I keep on eating food that you prepared? I should be the one bringing the money, taking care of the family.
I know what you mean. I know it's your responsibilities to take care of me. But considering the way things are now, it is my own responsibility to take care of you and your sisters. To make sure that you and your siblings are okay. You remember that when you had money you were giving me. You were virtually doing everything for me. So now that things are not the way they are before, I should be the one taking care of you people now. It is my responsibility to do so now. So become one, eat my food, I'm begging you. Eat it.
Mama, I am not hungry. I am not.
Sorry. How can you be turning down the food I labored to cook? I know how I struggle to make this money to prepare this food. How can you turn my food down?
It's okay, Mama. You know I don't like seeing you cry.
Why would I not cry? Why would I cry?
You know I don't like seeing you shed your tears. Okay, Mama, I will eat.
Eat it.
Here's the food. I will eat it.
Eat it. That's not breaking my heart. Eat. What is that balloon to eat? It is not that it's very okay with me, but I have no choice. I have no choice. I just have to put one or two things together to make sure I see.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, don't worry. I'm eating.
You have been taking care of me and the child by yourself. So, I want to work. I want to do anything at all to help you to take care of us.
You will not. As a man, it is my rest. It is my rest.
Responsibility.
It is my responsibility to take care of you and the children. So I'm going to go to work. The fish. The fish and cash. It's enough for me to take care of you. Come. Come on. Come. Come. Aha.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Chisom, right? The fisherman's wife?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, how are you?
Fine, sir.
And how's your husband?
Fine, sir.
Good. Where are you coming from?
Sir, from the market.
I see. Yes, that reminds me. I was actually going to ask your husband to help me get somebody that will help me clean my compound before I return back to Abuja. You know, when you get back home, please tell him. If he has somebody who can help me do the job, let him send the person to me, okay?
Sir, I can do the job.
You can?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Instead of looking for someone else to pay for the job, why don't you give it to her? After all, she's our boy's wife.
It's alright, so in that case, see me tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
My regards to your husband, eh?
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Hey! Igrigi. Not the killer, I only kill like a one.
The one.
Shebe, where are you coming from?
I'm sorry. I stayed out long.
That is not the question. Singular, Isebe, in English. Where were you? Where come from?
I went to the market to sell firewood.
Lalone! You went to the market to sell uncle. Uncle is able to. No, the firewood. Where did you get the firewood from?
The bush. I went to fetch the firewood in the bush.
Hey! No! Okay. He went to the forest. To Batanko. Who sent you? What will you do if Adaka has foggy? Then fell from one branch to another one to capture you. Eh? to, eh? You see, what do you want me to tell the people? That I cannot feed you? Eh? No, tell me now. How much did you make from the uncle?
$140.
Oh, 140. Nkemo, 140. You make selling firewood. Nkemo, one of my fish. Oh, to have someone kotara, ni memere to be kotara. Oh, 5,000. 5,000. He went to the Arasu forest to go and fetch firewood. Give it 140. Give it 140. Okay. Now you don't know me to baby. Oyene kuma, baby sit. You tell me to Oyene kuma. You leave your only son in water because of 140. Now you 2,000 good. Now you 2,000 good. 5,000. So now let's play. Get that good. How much is this? Is it not bigger than your 140? Let's go.
Let's go inside so that you can eat your food. Come.
No. A man whose house is on fire doesn't need food.
But you staying here will not solve any problem. Please. Stop sounding like this. I don't like it. Please.
I'm tired.
Tired of what?
I'm tired of eating the food prepared by Mama. I should be the one giving her, and not the other way around.
Then you shouldn't have come back.
What's that supposed to mean?
Since you know you will get tired of everything, you should have stayed back. Okay, you know what? We have to look for a way and raise money so that you can go back to the city. Okay?
But what can you possibly do? And besides, you are not working.
Yes. I'm not working. But I still have savings from the money you do give me. So tomorrow, we know how much so that you can go back. Okay? But for now, let's go inside. Please don't say no to me. Brother.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. Let's go inside.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. honestly, I only wanted to help you. You have been the one that is always going out under rain, under sun, to get money to take care of us. I did not want to get you upset. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. But don't do again. No. Next time, don't get batalamunku.
I will not. Are you going to be busy tomorrow?
I'll go to Kutazu fish. I'll go fish.
Can you suspend the fishing tomorrow?
Okay.
I met that your customer when I was coming back from the market. That one that you used to supply plenty fish to. Austin. He said he's looking for somebody to clean his house, that his gardener is not around. So I accepted to do the job.
You accepted to make him. How can you go and be cleaning somebody's house?
No, I accepted because I thought you would do the job. That was why I accepted. And the money is very big.
He told you. Okay. I will clean the house, but don't be accepting. No. Don't be accepting. Anytime you see somebody, don't be accepted. Don't be accepted.
Okay.
Even don't be talking to before they will not come and look you. Look you fine. They will not come and look you fine.
Okay.
Tochi, how are you?
I'm not fine. I was on my way to your house.
Is everything alright? What is the problem?
Ijeoma.
Yes?
Ije, please, I need your help.
Okay, what is it?
I want my brother to go back to the city. But I don't have enough money to give him. And you know, he's staying in this village. It's not helping at all. Please help me. I promise you, I'll pay you back. Please, just help me.
Tochi, I understand you. You see, your brother is a very nice man. I still remember how he used to help me with my needs anytime he has. Okay? It's okay.
Does this mean yes? You will help us? Please tell me. Go straight to the point and tell me, please now.
Okay, Tochi. Well, I don't have much, believe me. But what? You have to go home. I'll come to your house later in the evening with anything I can lay my hands on. Is that okay by you?
Hey, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Oh,
it's okay.
Thank you.
You have to start going. It's about to rain.
Okay. Please don't fail me. Please.
I will.
Don't fail me.
One more thing.
What? Tell me now. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.
Oga Dubem. The great fisherman.
Where were we when the rest woman?
No, I was not there.
Every match one pass.
Abi? Oga Dubem, this your fish is very big. Why not sell one for me?
You see this fish? This one for me and this one for my wife. And you will be making it.
This is him
again. One day, but where were we when the gas in?
Oga Dubem, leave that. You know what? Oga Dubem, please. I need one, please. I will give you money. Okay, let me give you 20,000.
The other time, what happened?
You see that fish? That fish is very, very, very sweet.
Italian.
Hi, everything.
Italian.
As you said now.
You see this one? Not for sale. If you like heaven, making it down the earth, I will not sell this one. This is for me and for William.
Oga Dubem, please, please, I need one. I need one. Help me, I need one.
I'm William now for bringing two.
You know,
5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
Oga Dubem, wait. Okay, let me give you 4,000. Wait now, this man, you like money.
I told me now, so I don't want to sell. It's just because of you. You have for me and my wife, just one macagio.
You like money?
I only have to look at the size of the fish.
It's even 5,000 that I have money here. Okay, you like.
Dubem
the great fisherman.
Where were we?
This is what I was able to get. 30,000. I hope it will help us.
Yes, it will. Hey, PJ, thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Hey, if I join this one with 80,000 I have, I'm sure it will go a long way. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you.
Okay, I'm glad that I was able to help out. But you will do me a favor.
What favor? Tell me.
Coach, please don't tell your brother that I helped out.
But TJ, why are you avoiding my brother? You said he's a nice person. So why? Why don't you give him a chance?
Coach, I did this to help a friend and not to get noticed by his brother. Please.
Okay. I will not tell him. Thank you so much. I promise you, I'll pay you this money back. I promise you that. Thank you.
Please. Take your time, okay?
Thank you. Brother.
Is that not John?
Yes.
What did she come here to do?
Oh, she only came to see me. That's all.
And the money you are hiding? She's the one that gave it to you, right?
What matters is that we are going back to the city tomorrow.
Yes. And I was able to raise this little money. Though it is small, but I know it will go a long way.
Yes. Take it.
Mama, thank you very much. In my next life, both of you will be a part of me. And I promise you, I will not disappoint you.
Don't you? Thank you. Most important thing
Don't worry, don't worry.
Thank you very much for everything you did for my brother Tony.
it's not everybody will do what he did for him. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you.
Oh, don't you leave me. You've already thanked me.
But I can't stop thanking you.
No, you can't just be thanking me always for this.
Eh? You said if I were in your shoe, I'll still do the same. And you know your brother is a nice guy. Thank you so much.
No. Everybody, what is the meaning of this now? Just look at this table.
What is thank God I saw both of you here?
And what?
Our friend husband is missing. Which friend? Chisom now.
Ah! Jesus Christ! Chisom! What? How? How?
Her husband fell inside water since yesterday. And he's nowhere to be found.
This is not good. This is not good. Let's go to her place and see her. Let's go. Stop crying now. Stop crying, please.
Hey!
Please stop crying.
Hey!
Hold yourself, it's okay. Please stop crying.
Crying will not bring him back.
Please. He will come back.
You don't know the best. Please.
Please now. I'm begging you. Stop.
Hey.
I don't like this. Please. It's okay. Please. I understand. It's okay. I know how you feel.
Hey!
I know it's
Hey!
oh, please.
Oh!
Okay, yourself.
Hey! Hey! Oh!
Stop now.
Leave us. Okay, boss. Such a painful death. I'm really sorry about the death of your husband. Please accept my sympathy.
Sir, my husband is not dead. He's only missing.
No, missing in the waters, right? You know what that means? By now, all the dangerous animals in the water, all the witches and wizards, even Mame Water would have feasted on his body. If what will be left of him now is just bones.
No, sir, I don't believe it. I came to meet you to know if you can help me.
Of course I will help you. No, trust me. I will help you give him a befitting burial. But yeah, no, leave that for me. Don't give me that look. Leave that for me. I will handle it very well. Trust me. He will have a burial worth giving a big man. Oh yes. But at the same time, I would like after the burial, you come over to this place and stay with me. Enjoy life. Live a beautiful life. I mean, live this life that every woman will wish for, life that is stress-free. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir. Please. I did not tell you that I am not okay. I am comfortable. We are very okay where we are. I only came to find out if you can help me search for my husband. That's all. I don't understand what you're talking about. And whatever it is you're talking about, sir, it will never happen.
Oh, no, I get it. But you came to see if I can help you search for your husband.
Yes, sir.
As the president of the local village vigilante group. No, I want to understand now. You see, there is this thing they say about pigs. See, they say, get a pig from the god. Bath the pig. Buy a white Italian suit and wear the pig. Leave that pig for a second. We'll go back to the gutters. So I didn't know I was here thinking of how to better your life. I mean, give you a very beautiful and comfortable life. And all you want is to go back to the gutters like a pig. You are comfortable. Jack! Jack!
Boss! Boss!
You smell something?
It's not easy.
Take this gospel. This gospel. Go for hallelujah. Take it and go and dump it where it belongs.
Stand up!
Come on, stand up! Get out!
Siniga solve is enough, boss.
Ebugomo tutu mmiri ka m wee rijuo afọ chi m. Apụta m ụwa kwudo ogbenye wee bụrụ ogbenyele chi m lekwa m. Chukwu
You push her away from the gate, very far from the gate, right? Boss, see this chair? Yes, sir. Make sure that this chair is washed very, very well with this disinfectant. Eh?
Taking, sir.
Antiseptic soap, medicated soap.
I'll do just that.
And a whole lot of disinfectant. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Austin, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
My daughter is inside, Tochi.
Yes.
Should I call her?
Yeah, please, call her. That's why I'm here. Call her.
Tochi! Tochi! Mama! Come, my daughter, come. Hey! Come, we have a visitor. Come. Come.
Tochi, how are you?
I'm fine.
She's fine, very, very fine. Doing beautifully well.
What are you doing here?
What did you say?
I said, what are you doing here?
You know what?
Shut up! Dare you?
How dare you?
In Apwala.
In Apwala?
Huh? I've come to get you.
I say in Apwala.
All right? Jack.
Sir.
Jack.
Sir.
Please, with all due respect, I will not marry you. I will not.
Tochi, you will not do what?
Emily, Tochi.
Jack.
Sir.
Jack.
Sir.
Go get her.
Get that girl. No, ask the child, Nigeria. When I pack her bag, she will come. Wait. I want a choice.
I already bought you a car.
Bring her out! Bring her out! You bought me a car. And the house. Yes, Mama. Open the door for you. Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, you have that walker. Mother, go.
Jack! Lift her up.
Jack, lift her up. Jack! Take her away. Mama, please. Jack! Take her inside the car. Chief, how about the house?
Nasi, I can't believe that Tochi's mother wants to allow Tochi to get married to that old man called Austin just because of money.
My dear, it surprises me. How can she be forcing that old man to get married to her? Simply because he has money.
Just because of money. But anyway, my mom can never ever try such thing in her life. But if she dares, I'll just pack my things and leave the house for her.
That's true.
Please, let's go.
He said that girl come to this house. You get mine, bring that girl come to this house. That is madness. Complete madness, Jukes.
You don't understand. You don't get it. That girl is beautiful. No, take a close look at her. You will see she's a fine girl. Just that she fell into the wrong hands.
The wrong hand? Also, you are the right hand. You are the right hand for her to be. And your hand with the right one. Huh? Austin, come on. There are a lot of beautiful girls out there. Austin, a bit chalky. Also, you're the right hand now. Now you be the right hand for her to be chalky. Chalky, come on. There are a lot of beautiful girls out there. A lot of beautiful girls. Again, she is married. The girl is a married woman.
She was a married woman. Yes, she's no longer married because the husband is dead. And the young one cannot come back. So how come can sue to something? You understand? We sue something.
Can you sue me? Yeah, when you're in the house. What I get she has was. You choke at the what I she has, she batramulo, and you choke. That's a fisherman's wife.
Have a fisherman leave that one. If we want in but yes, he has well.
Chucky, what's happening to you? I thought you used to go out for these girls, these very classy girls. I don't know. What's become of you?
You won't understand.
Yeah, I really don't understand. Yeah. Can't you get me? It's a holy Igbo.
As Ezugode Igbo.
I'm telling you that I saw Zubby with my 2 eyes yesterday. Stop arguing me now. My brother, Etiko, it's not possible. It's not possible. Huh? It's not possible. I hate argument. Guy, I hate argument. I was hailing Zubby as usual, but Zubby kept quiet, and you need to see the way he was stiff. Like someone that a marine spirit or something possessed. Okay, want me to believe you now? See, the only way I will believe this thing is unless I see him with my 2 naked eyes. That's all. Okay, you want to confirm what I saw? No problem. The best thing for us to do now is to go to his house, because I believe when I saw him yesterday, he was heading to his house. Let's go. But I wish you were there. What are you trying to tell me?
Hey! Thank God. Thank God that you're back and you're alive.
The most important thing is that I'm back. Life continues.
Hey, I knew you were not dead.
Fear.
I don't know, but I knew inside me that nothing was wrong with you.
Fear.
Eh?
I will leave.
You.
I missed you too.
I missed our fish. You see the fish, this one you just brought, we eat now. Hey! Okay. This is the sweetest fish ever that you have caught.
That fish is a gift from God. As I went inside the water, using my hand to nado net, the next thing you know, some go where? You just say no. You're following me home. You are following me home. Because I brought it to you. A special woman.
Thank you. So good to see you. I missed you. Nkem. Nkem.
Nene.
I think you should discontinue this fishing business and go into another business.
No. How can I this continue? The same fish business is our sauce ego.
Have you forgotten what happened? You almost lost your life. I'm scared. I don't know what will happen next.
Nothing will happen. Map, plan to make it big now. You see that hut at the back of the house? That hut, the little one at the back of the house. I don't want you to go in there again. Don't enter there. From today onwards, don't enter there again.
Why will I not go in there?
No, I told you I want to expand the business from export. Brazil, then has too much money, plenty money. So I want to make the hut store. Where I'll be keeping the fish. As fisherman,
Okay, it's okay, no problem. I won't enter. You can be careful. Be careful. Bye bye.
No, why not?
I must say you have done well for yourself. From this day on, you will have all the money you seek. But before that happens, come and make me feel like a woman. Come. My soul is indeed delighted, and I am pleased with you, Riverman. I must say you are good at what you do.
You're good too.
Now, don't be scared. Open it.
It is money. Money.
It is all yours. You must keep to the rules and regulations. Your wife must not know of this. You must not eat the food made for the rich. You will only feed on the food made for the poor.
How can I have all the money you have given me? I'll be eating from the poor again. Even my family, my wife, will they be eating from the poor?
No! She will eat your money. She has right to spend your money the way she wants. But mind you, she must not know of me.
They will not know. But how can I be giving me plenty of ego? Now, only my wife will be enjoying the ego.
Riverman, this is the beginning of your week.
I will be making the money and I will not be enjoying the money.
I am my widow. I am my widow. I am my widow. Itenuwa, namo, ijuwa. Even the mapia no badanya, even the Japan no badanya. Konya ne menya jisika, ifonya na loya jisike. Uwa wabanya wabanya na chia, enu wabanya kuya na chia. Ibula kalanya kinachi, anya gechi makego bebe pua. Achuchuchu ya koda bonye gasam. Achuchuchu la kalanya kigasam. Uwanefego, uwanefego, uwanefego. Eko dinu wagadi wanyana. Uwanefego. Ife dinu wagadi wanyana. Uwanefego. Omema na mayana. Uwanefego. Omejo na joyana. Uwanefego. My brother, I'm jisike ifanye mama jisike anya geji lekego bebe po ajujuju yeboda bonega se ajujuju lakala anya gegase uwanefego ego dinu wagadi kwanyana ife dinu wagadi kwanyana omema na mayana omejo jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri apaka jaja manu onye jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri apaka jaja manu onye jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri apaka jaja manu onye jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri money chukudi bebe batagega money everywhere yeah you know kwega chukudi bebe batagega wakena papa no buonu olwane go boye selonwa be mundoko you don't come back here jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri apaka jaja manu onye jisike urenisi chukudi bebe lugodisi yagamiri yagariri apaka jaja manu onye jisike urenisi.
Oh wait, that reminds me. Dubem of yesterday, an illiterate, ordinary a fisherman that doesn't make 15,000 in a week is busy lavishing money as if in be Dangote.
Nah, eh? Are you asking me? Do you want to hear from me? Please, let's go.
Sometimes, you can get people to make unnecessary mistakes. See my thing. You get weird. You get very, very stupid. Sometimes, nothing else is between you. So, all the money you've been spending in the modern shop is not enough for you, eh? But you have to join those villagers to those good money. I just they watch you now, they pick money to mislead. Etiko. See, Etiko. For the fact that we are friends, I won't give you any right to insult me. And Mariana, it doesn't give you any right for you to insult me. Respect yourself, John Ganaba. That I steal my mother's money. Is there any way is your cup of tea or business? Eh? Respect yourself, I don't tell you that for your mind don't make sense. Tell me only suddenly want to keep here after the news of the disappearance. Guy, using that money no be the new money. I don't tell you your brain don't be buff, pa. Poverty. Yes. Let me just make it clear to you now. What we are just friends. Oye, Kaibu. You are not my blood brother. You are not my half brother.
See, respect yourself.
Yeah, I dey try protect.
Put your mouth for Ghana.
I dey try protect you. I dey try protect you, guy.
Hey, Narajima. Chief Sarajima. Where did Dubem make such money from? Where did he get such money from?
You asking me?
Yes, it's a much like
It's very obvious. He's a ritualist. Oh yes?
Chief, listen. Okay, in as much as we're all confused, or I am confused as to how and where he could have made such money from, it is better for us to say what we know, not what we do not know.
What I am telling you is what I know, Negans. How could he have made such money all of a sudden and is still living in that house?
You see, that's what is confusing me.
That is enough reason for you to know that he is a ritualist. Everything you get in this world comes with a price to pay.
Hey!
Yes.
Arabala.
Arabala go.
Chuki. Sina arabala. Dubem na kwazo. Ichwe na azo ka Dubem kugide we kutudego.
Nebe. How? Which container got to? Which building material got? No, tell me, did he import any building materials? From nowhere. Even if he sells the whole fish in the whole river, he can't make such money.
Oh, when the French has said the purpose, it's not possible. A bloody fisherman. Nego azụ n'aka ya, mkpocha ya azụ, mmachie ya agba. Ele Jack, man, go to my Jack, Elejo, Jack.
Ina si yo na tuo.
Money everywhere. Yeah, you know where go. Chaponi bema, patagega. Wakena pupano mbuanu. Oluane go boye selonwa. Dubemu ndoko. You don't come back here. Ego. I am my window. I am my window. I am my window.
That's too sweet. Where are you coming from?
Coming from the market. My mother sent me to go and buy some food stuff. Hey, where are you off to?
You know, sweetheart, our marriage is fast approaching. So mommy asked me to go tell Mazi King, the Pawan Papa, to prepare some gallons of palm wine and also give some money to the youth that will fetch water for us on that very day.
Wow, that's good of her. Even me, I'm going to give some material to my friends.
Your friends, right? Yes. That's nice. Well, I'll see you soon. So let me run along. Okay?
I missed you.
I missed you too.
My brother, obodo telaga walundi odinso, obodo di panso walundi telaga. One day you get money.
Please, I want to ask you a question.
How did Chiso's husband make such kind of money? I thought he's an ordinary fisherman. Or since when has fishing started giving people such kind of money?
Are you asking me? Well, I'm happy for them. But come to think of it, why are they still staying in that hut?
Hey!
I don't understand.
Chioma, you will not kill me. Chioma, I think that question should be for Chisom and not me.
Hey, you're right. You're right. Have you seen Ebube?
In fact, I'm planning to go to her house to check how she's planning for her marriage.
It's true. I also want to see how. Let's go together.
That will be fine.
Hey, okay. Ebube, we are actually on our way to your house, but since you're here, it's okay, let's talk. Better.
Ijoma, I actually went to your place. My brother told me that you went to see Chioma.
He's right. Okay. I came to see Chioma to know how the brother is doing. We were actually on our way to your house.
You know how
Trust
this thing is now.
Since you both are here, let's go to my house and pick your shabby clothes.
You saw it already? This is nice.
So you both have to buy your shoes and make your hair.
It's okay, there's no problem. You're just so in a hurry to get married.
Oh, congratulations, my dear. Wow.
I'm happy for you. Congrats.
Please, let's go. I can't wait. Let's go.
This is it. From head to the toe. Foundation. This is your house.
Is it the one you were telling me about?
You like it? Maria, you can go round.
I like Romeo.
He's pursuing the evil spirit in the house. Baby, let us march inside, so you can see the interior. No, not interior. The interior. Give me the interior.
Hey, will you get that car out of the road? About people later now. You won't get make out there now for 1 minute. Remove that car. Apite. Tell me to.
Everything I imagine. In my way, every product motor, you imagine me.
Come on, success to pray. Come on, up with whoever was my bank. My Panama. Ah! Oh, nice.
Ndị tọrọ tọ ha na-enwe uche ha na-enwe uche ọ sị na ọ dịghị ejekọkọ Chekuso elekwana nke isi bụrụ ụgbọala gị amịghị your jeep use it to block my way. Is there any problem?
Chips or buggy? Maka ịbata ego nya. Nwanne chere ngwa gị. You are still my boy. Call what may, whatever happens, you are still that same boy that supplies me fish, and I pay him. But
baby, see no. Faction. In fact, no, you haven't spoken the fact. No one has no. Even until now, I will still supply more fish. Even if you want container, you want to
easy. If it easy. If you like, that easy why you be a suit. Easy. Owners will hustle. Where is the fish seller?
Just like has a fridge is different from has a debem. How you do how are the two different taste? You can cause you do you can also that together. So the same way the difference between me and you is very different. It's clear. So fishing is my business. Give us we can come and be a pre-tisi.
No, tell the whole world the truth. Kabamego declare. Oh, you're a ritualist. You're a fucking ritualist. If not, how can you disappear? And all of a sudden you surface with all this money. Abonka again. Even with the money.
You know your problem. Your problem is that all the school you went on an if it is a waste. Because if you didn't know about Mongo Park, who disappeared on Road Bridge on it. Yes, disappear and the fishing business continue. Why don't you come and join me to disappear?
No. Chucky. Yes, we get so wise. Need you go on wow. Need you on wow. But you need to was the one on your wow. I cannot reduce myself to your level. But you're on your worry. John digging hand at the same class. They come in Kazo. Not me. Oh no.
Oh, jokes. One day you shall join the band, the wagon of pictures of men. Oh, Bakula.
Apply for
Bakula.
the quality for the one. Oh, put those well. Somebody who is very, very angry. He was stranded in his way. Next time, get to them, Banoko. But only once.
Like I was saying, you look like drinking water. Honestly, anytime I see you, I become more thirsty. Let me just take good care of you. Have the money. I love you so much. Just give me a chance. I'm begging you.
You like me? You want to take care of me?
Yes.
With what?
With money now.
With
riches and love.
I don't understand. I know you too well and I know you don't do anything for a living. How do you intend to take care of me?
I have backup. My brother is in America. He always sends me money. Then I will use the money and buff you up, honestly.
My dear, your brother's money is not your money. So you have to go get yourself something doing before coming to talk.
My brother money and my money.
It's not Ofife. Ofife, go and get something
but
doing.
just give me a chance. Okay? Let me just love you. Let me just show you true love.
Please, I don't have time for people like you, okay? I need someone that's capable to take good care of me. As you can see, I'm a beautiful girl.
I know. Someone like you needs me. I'll take good care of you. I have money. I depend on my brother. You do everything for me and I'll transfer the money to you.
Can you just listen to yourself? You depend on your brother.
Very, very soon, that idiot there will cry exactly like Ikenna. He must cry because I know that girl. That girl will suck him dry. Just look at her hair.
Almost all the girls in this town has lost their local hair to task guys like us with expensive hairs. Expensive hairs.
Who is like us? Who is guys like us? See, for me, they will continue going around this town with their natural hair because person like me will not give them penny for any reason. Rubbish. You give me.
You see, if I see any girl that needs money for attachment, I won't really give her, but she will submit now.
Now die the hungry, you idiot. Because the small money wey they try thief for your mother shop, use and buy better clothes. They buff up small. To say a few idiot. Come on.
I'm happy for you, Izu. Hey! Hey! Who would have thought something good, something big will come out of an ordinary fisherman? Hey! Nem, I'm happy for you, Eziokwu. Look at you today. You've really changed. Yes. You are not looking like the first lady. What boy for? Just because of you, I am sitting down in a mansion for the first time in my life. In a big one. Money is good. Money is good.
Excited though.
That reminds me. Where is your son? We have not seen him since we came in.
My son. His father flew him out of the country. He said he does not want him to grow up here with the Nigerian mentality.
Money is talking.
Money is speaking.
Money is talking. You see why I'm getting married to my okay? Yes, because tomorrow now, you become the president of this country.
You are finished. Huh? Eh? Keep hoping. I'm not fear.
Talking about your marriage, I got something for you.
Oh,
wait,
thank you.
I'm
Thank
coming.
you. What of my own now?